Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gyeran Jjim, the only way for a truly perfect result. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 6 large eggs, 1 cup of your favorite broth, and a small pinch of salt. Also, have 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped scallions ready. Make sure you have a heat-proof bowl and a steamer prepared for the cooking process. Now let's prepare our mixture. Gently whisk the 6 large eggs in a heat-proof bowl until they are just combined, being careful not to incorporate too much air. Next, slowly pour in the 1 cup of broth while continuously stirring the egg mixture. This ensures a wonderfully smooth and consistent texture. Finally, add a pinch of salt and the 1 teaspoon of minced garlic to infuse delicious flavor throughout. The steaming process is crucial for that signature fluffy texture. Carefully place your heat-proof bowl containing the egg mixture into a steamer. Cover it tightly and steam over medium-low heat for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. The key is to cook it gently. Your Gyeran Jjim is perfectly done when it appears set around the edges, but still has a delightful, slight jiggle in the center. Once your Gyeran Jjim is perfectly steamed, carefully remove the bowl from the steamer. The aroma will be incredible. Now for the finishing touch. Generously garnish the top with 2 tablespoons of fresh, vibrant chopped scallions. This adds a lovely pop of color and a fresh, mild onion flavor. Serve this warm, comforting, and incredibly delicious dish immediately as a delightful side to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.